Hey girlies, it's time to style my pink diamond wig. So I wanted to do this video to kind of show you guys how I create volume and shape with synthetic wigs. Everything I've learned has been from other wig stylists, especially like James Mansfield and just other online drag queens that show their styling process, and cosplayers of course too. But right now I'm just back combing the hair and then hairspraying it and then blow drying it with my Dyson to get it to stay up to really hold the shape. With synthetic hair you really want to kind of destroy the fibers to get it to hold the shape and really form. As you can see now there's a big bump, and for pink diamond this is perfect because I wanted the hair on the sides to be very voluminous and give that kind of like round shape of the way her hair does. And then I'm pinning it off, and I'm doing this again at the bottom because her hair kind of like poofs out and then poofs in and then out again, if that makes sense. So I'm just teasing again, and then I will brush through it and I will shape it into a shape I want, and then I'm going in with a roller, and I'm also kind of pulling out the hair to make it a little more voluminous. But here you can see I'm shaping the bottom, and then I go in with a roller to form it, and I hairspray it, and then I blow dry it to get it to hold the shape. Now I'm just doing the same thing on the top. I already had some of this wig styled just because I knew that a lot of it would be a repetitive process, and I kind of just wanted to thread through it. Here I'm using a little bump it to give more volume on the top. And I know you guys are going to ask, but I do not have videos for my yellow and white diamond wigs. I know you guys might ask about them, and in the future I'll try to do some spiky wigs to show you guys how I do those, but those wigs just took so long, and they were also like an experimental process that I knew recording it would take so long, and considering white diamonds took 6 hours to make, I just knew that wasn't going to happen, so I'm sorry in advance if you want those videos. Here I'm just shaping the back and getting it to hold that little bump it and smoothing it over. Now I'm blow drying it and using hairspray to really hold it in place, and then I'm using scissors to cut away any little flyaways. This wig probably will only be for pink diamond, so I'm not worried about it kind of needing to use it for other projects. And that's basically it. And then I just take the rollers out, and here is the results. Thank you guys again for all the love on my diamond looks. It means a lot. I love that series, and I can't wait to see what I do next. Bye, girlies!